Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the checking for update issue in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 when installing the game on Xbox. So, without wasting any time, let's get straight into the solution. First, launch your Xbox and search for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4. Select the game from the results and choose the install option. After a few moments, you should see the available versions, add-ons, and game packages. Here, make sure you select all the available options. The additional downloads may require around 35 gigabytes of storage, depending on the packages shown on your Xbox. Once you've selected everything you need, click Next and start the installation. The game should now begin downloading the required files. In many cases, installing all the necessary packages can resolve the checking for update problem and allow the game to proceed normally. And that's it. I hope this solution helps you get back into the game. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful gaming fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.